Hi guys, I bought another Adidas jogging pants. I already have one in basic black color and it's very comfortable and I love wearing it and I can wear it anywhere, even just going for a grocery. I love it so much that I thought I should get another one but on a different color this time. And so I came back to adidas.com.au website and found this beautiful jogging pants in like a peachy pink color, and as I swipe on the photos available I saw that the model is black pink rose and she's wearing it on this photo, and I thought I wanna buy this one and see, and it's like quite different from the previous one I have. The parcel is already with me and this will be like an unboxing video, and I'm also gonna see this jogging pants for the first time today and I'm gonna share it with you. So if you are interested about the same jogging pants and you like black pink rose and you may want to consider buying this jogging pants as well, then you may consider staying tuned on this video. So here's the pants. I actually removed it already from the packaging because I thought I already did the video, but apparently my camera is on off, my video cam, so I have to repeat it again. So it's not in the plastic anymore. I removed it from the plastic. So this is Adidas, that's the logo. This one is fully buttoned on the side. Actually, they are removable buttons. Yeah, they're fully buttoned until here, until the third to the last from the top. So these two on top, you can't unbutton them, but from here downwards you can actually unbutton. So that's the side. So as I've said, the color is peachy. It's peachy color. It says Adidas regular fit, and it's Adibreak. Adibreak size 12. So it's 120 Australian dollars, but I got this on sale. I only bought this one for 84 Australian dollars. So just an add-on, this is made of prime green. I don't know what prime green is or what it means. It says prime green, and the product has been made with prime green, a series of high performance recycled materials. Adidas.com. Yeah, that's what it says. Apparently it's so long on me. This is size 12. I am Australian 10 to 12 for pants. That's why I just chose 12, just to be on the safe side. But I think I can get away with size 10. Especially it's so long on me, as you can see, too long. And anyway, got an adjustable strap. But usually the other one that I have, the adjustable strap is outside. But this one, the adjustable strap is from the inside. From here. You can adjust it from there. Okay. The only problem now, it's just too long. For my height, I am 5'5.5", and still quite roomy for me, and it's also adjustable from the inside.